Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 27 years old. I live in Chicago, Illinois. I work in a hospital. I'm a nurse. I love helping people. I heal pain every day. My work is very heavy. I don't have much time. I wake up early. I put on my clothes fast. I rush to the hospital. The days are long. I help many patients. I smile a lot, but I feel tired often. Vacation is coming soon. I want to rest. I book a trip. I choose Mexico. I like the sun there. I like the beach. I pack my bag. I feel happy now. Tomorrow is the flight. I go to the airport. I say goodbye to friends. I dream of fun days. I arrive at the airport. It is very busy. People walk fast. I wait in line. I check my ticket. The flight is to Mexico. I sit and wait. I drink some coffee. A man sits near me. He has a nice smile. His name is John. He says hello to me. We laugh together. Time goes fast. The plane is late, but we don't mind. We talk about life. He likes music. I like books. We have fun. We board the plane. Our seats are close. John sits next to me. I feel a little shy. The plane takes off. We look at the clouds. John shows me pictures. He has a camera. We talk more now. He tells funny stories. I tell him about my job. He listens carefully. The food comes. We eat together. He gives me his dessert. I smile big. The flight is long, but it feels short. We watch a movie. We share one screen. We land in Mexico. The sun is bright. We say see you soon. My heart beats fast. I go to my hotel. It is near the beach. I put on my swimsuit. I walk to the sea. I see John there. He waves at me. We meet by chance. We laugh again. We walk on the sand. The water is warm. We swim a little. The sun feels good. We drink coconut water. We talk about dreams. John wants to travel more. I want peace in life. Evening comes fast. We watch the sunset. It is red and orange. We sit very close. Next day we go out. We visit old ruins. John takes photos. I stand next to him. We eat tacos. They are very tasty. We drink fresh juice. We share one table. We dance at night. Music is loud. John holds my hand. I feel very happy. We walk in the street. Lights are beautiful. We talk about family. He has a big family. I tell him my story. He listens with care. We feel connected. Love starts to grow. We see nice flowers. We buy small gifts. We laugh all day. Time goes very fast. We watch the sea. The waves are big. We sit on the sand. We feel so good. The day is perfect. We don't want to stop. We plan tomorrow. We stay together. One day it rains. We stay in the hotel. We play cards. We laugh a lot. John makes tea. We sit on the balcony. Rain falls hard. We feel safe together. We talk about love. He asks if I believe. I say yes, I do. He smiles at me. He says he likes me. I feel warm inside. I say I like him too. Our hearts beat fast. The rain stops later. We go for a walk. The air is fresh. We hold hands now. We see wet flowers. The sky is clear again. We walk slowly. We feel very happy. We talk more now. We share our dreams. We look at each other. Love is growing strong. The day ends quiet. We say goodnight. We sleep with smiles. Tomorrow is new. We go to dinner. The restaurant is nice. Candles are on table. Music is very soft. John looks at me. He says sweet words. I blush a little. I feel so happy. We dance very slowly. His arms around me. I put head on him. Time stops for us. After dinner, we walk. Stars shine in sky. He stops and kisses me. It is my first kiss. We sit by the sea. The night is warm. We talk about future. We feel very close. He holds me tight. I feel safe with him. The moon is bright. Love is in the air. We walk back slowly. We don't want to end. The night is magic. We smile all time. We say goodnight, but hearts stay together. This is special day. We never forget. Vacation ends soon. I must go back home. John must go too. We feel very sad. We talk about future, Chicago and New York. They are far away. What can we do now? I cry a little. He holds me tight. We promise to call. We promise to meet. Last day is hard. We walk on beach. We don't talk much. Tears in my eyes. We pack our bags. Time goes too fast. We look at photos. We remember good days. At airport, we wait. We hug for long. We say, see you soon. But heart feels heavy. The plane is ready. We say goodbye again. I wave from window. He waves back to me. Love is still here, but distance is big. We feel hope inside. We will find way. I fly back to Chicago. I go to work again. But I think of John every day and night. We call every day. We send many messages. We send nice photos. Love grows stronger now. I miss his smile. I miss his voice. I miss his warm hugs. I feel alone sometimes. Work is very busy, but I smile thinking, John is in my heart. He makes me happy. One day he says, I want to see you. I say, come soon, please. My heart jumps high. We plan the visit. He will come to me. I clean my home. I wait with joy. Days feel long now, but love keeps me strong. I count the days. Soon we meet again. John comes to Chicago. He stands at my door. I run to him fast. We hug for a long time. We walk in the city. We eat pizza together. We talk about plans. We want to be close. He asks me to marry. I say yes with joy. We kiss under snow. Love found us both. Now we live happy. We help each other. Love came at airport and stays forever now. We thank the vacation. We thank beautiful Mexico. And we thank love. It changed our lives. Friends are happy too. They say we are lucky. Love is very strong. It wins every time. We dream together now. We plan our future. Every day is better because we have love. The end is happy. Anna and John forever. Love starts anywhere, even at airport.
Hi, my friend. The story is now finished. What do you think about Anna and John? Do you like the love story? Do you believe in love? Can love really start at an airport? Tell us. Did you learn English with this story? Did you like the simple words and the happy end? If you like emotional stories like this, subscribe now for more. I see you in the next emotional story in English. Bye-bye.